The 3 GHz option consists of an external downconverter that is connected to the HD Ranger RF input and converts the band from 2020 to 3000 MHz down to 20 to 1000 MHz. This will allow you to see any L-band RF content with the HD Ranger spectrum analyzer. First of all, we will connect the CB223 to the HD Ranger's RF input and set up the meter by long pressing the folder button or preferences menu button, going to the measures tab and enabling the terrestrial downlink option. Now we will go back to the spectrum analyzer mode and press the wheel button or terrestrial settings button and input as a local oscillator value 2000 MHz, which is the down conversion value for this device, the CB223. We need to activate as well the supply voltage to 12 volts. Accordingly, we will now see any L-band content in the spectrum analyzer's terrestrial band.